So this is my submission for web coding web hack 2. So here I have tried to create Windows XP experience in web. So you are created with this code animation. You can go with this text, read it out, and this is all these windows are resizable and movable as well. You can resize them like this or close them. There is an accept flow inside that you can pretty much do all the operations in this like this, or if you want to set formula, then you can also do that like this, or various sheets you can add various text editing things. Let's move to some other features. There is a browser. You can do searching, Google search or something. That will be with the new UI that Google is ready. You can jump into the code and see how I implemented all this. This is the code of the uh, chat application inside this. We will see later in the video. So, and this is the code of this application, Windows XP experience clone, whatever it is, whatever you want to say. Uh, in this, you can try and jump into the code and understand how I have implemented all this, and try this time try to comment the code well so that anyone can understand that. Not only HTML files, all the JS, all the files declarations are well documented, well commented, so you can jump and understand and play with the code. All the windows are resizable as well and can be moved. Let's close this window. Let's see some other apps. You can create Word documents, rename them like this, talk or something, or create other documents. Oh, let's open one. And it's all features are working. Like let's say hello world. Let's edit this little bit. Code italic, underline, change the font. Let's change the size. You can also have a line break here. Let's change the background color. Let's change font color. You can also copy the code of all this, the HTML code, and do all the things like adding bullet points like this, adding bullet points, or adding something to subscript or suffix prefix, etc. Let's close this. Let's jump into the chat application, or you can also delete them like this. There is a WinApp also. This is totally working WinApp. You can play songs there. There is a playlist. Let's jump into the chat application that I have talked about earlier. This is the code of that chat application. Let's close this. This is the chat application. Let's open this, resize it so that we can two persons can chat basically. Uh, let's say this is person 1 and this is person 2. So let's resize this as well and say this is person 1 saying hello. You can see person 1 is typing here. This is all implemented with Socket.io with for real-time chat application. Let's say person 1 sent hello. You can see it here. Person 2 says how are implemented through Socket as a simple server in which all the data which is sent to all other clients except the sender. And let's see what's next. This was the search thing. You can search anything like GitHub or something. You can go there. All these windows can come all around here. Let's close this, close this. We can delete this. We can delete anything. Let's open something else like what is remaining. This was the readme, and we can see the start menu as well. Let's over it. I've tried to implement all the design like Windows XP. Let me show you one very interesting thing. If you click on this My Computer, you will be taken to a place like this kind of glitch which we used to experience in Windows XP. That's all. Thank you for listening.